Most people get this wrong when comparing rewarded play and long game. They focus only on potential rewards and completely ignore how the two platforms are designed to be used. But here's the truth no one tells you. The better app isn't necessarily the one with bigger earning claims. It's the one that fits your goals and daily habits. In this video, we'll compare rewarded play and long game in 2026, break down their main differences, and help you decide which option may be better for you. Let's get straight into it. Rewarded play is generally known as a rewards platform centered around mobile gaming. Users discover games, play them, and work toward earning rewards through eligible activity. Long game has traditionally focused on combining rewards with broader financial engagement and goal-based activities, rather than relying primarily on gaming. Depending on current features and availability, its experience may feel very different from a gaming-focused app. Here's a quick win. Before comparing rewards, ask yourself one simple question. Do you enjoy spending time playing mobile games? If the answer is yes, a gaming-focused platform may naturally fit your routine better. For example, Alex enjoys trying new mobile games after work. Rewarded play aligns well with how he already spends his free time. John rarely plays games but prefers tools that encourage long-term goals and structured engagement. His preferences may lead him toward a different experience. But here's the problem. Many users choose an app based solely on screenshots or earning claims posted online. What works for one person may not work the same way for another. This is where most people fail. They compare results instead of comparing lifestyles. Now here's where it gets interesting. The real difference often comes down to engagement. Rewarded play is built around entertainment through gaming. Long game has historically focused on encouraging users through a broader system of rewards and participation. Here's another quick win. Test each platform for a short period and track 3 things. How easy is it to use? How enjoyable is the experience? And how motivated are you to keep using it after a few days? Those answers are usually more valuable than any online comparison. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to make your final decision. Look at consistency. The best platform is often the one you'll continue using regularly. An app with great rewards means very little if you lose interest after 2 days. Now here's the key takeaway. There is no universal winner between rewarded play and long game. One focuses primarily on gaming-based rewards, while the other may appeal more to users looking for a broader experience beyond gaming. Let's recap. Choose rewarded play if you enjoy mobile games and want rewards connected to gameplay. Consider long game if its available features better match your personal goals and interests. The best choice depends on how you actually plan to use the platform. If this comparison helped you, leave a comment sharing which app you're testing. Hit the like button and subscribe for more app comparisons, reward platform reviews, and tech tutorials.